Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. The kickplate or grill is a vented cover on many refrigerators. This vent allows air to flow in to cool the compressor and condenser coils. You might need to remove the kickplate to clean the condenser coils or to access the water filter. In some models, the control board and tech sheet are here as well. Removing and installing the kickplate is simple. In some models, you'll have to remove several mounting screws. Other models don't have screws. In this case, the kickplate will be held in by several tabs. To replace the kickplate, snap it into place. If needed, tighten any mounting screws. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.